first 3 marketing campaigns I ever worked on generated $15 million for the corporations I was working for at the time. It gave me all the confidence in the world that I could be one of the greatest marketers to ever exist. I finished my MBA and I moved to LA and was hired by the world famous Laugh Factory. 3 months later, I was fired. And then rehired again as a consultant. Went on to work with Snoop Dogg, NLE Choppa, The Game, Xbox, Microsoft, Nickelodeon. Most of the campaigns that I created were distributed on Facebook, Google, and YouTube, where we would see 4, 5, and 6x returns consistently. I mean, we were making millions of dollars. It felt like there was a disconnect between what I knew and what small business owners knew. So I created the 7 marketing plays. And I put the information that I obtained over the years from working with these Fortune 500 companies into one simple guide that business owners and marketers could follow so that they could generate more money for their business. What you'll learn is the strategies that I use to grow businesses with Facebook ads, how to turn email and text subscribers into paying customers, how to gain 10,000 plus followers without spending a single dollar, and other strategies to grow your business online. To order, visit stevemurrayconsulting.com/book, and you'll be on your way to scaling in no time.